Hi, this short video is about Lean Six Sigma. My name is Michael Soni and I would be taking you through a brief tour about what is Lean Six Sigma. The two powerful quality improvement methodology, one was Lean, another was Six Sigma. Lean and Six Sigma have been used in manufacturing and service organizations throughout the world. It has resulted in delivering superior value to customers, improve product and service quality, and boost the business profits. Let us talk about lean management. Lean management has its roots in Toyota production system. It is basically revolving around reducing burdens, inconsistencies, and removing waste in all operations of the organization. We can, in Japanese language, we can call it as Muri, which is reducing burdens, Mura, reducing inconsistency, and Mudda, removing all sorts of waste in organization. We will use a picture which demonstrate Mudda, waste. You can see the person carrying uh, um, a particular things and it is fallen down. You could see there is a wastage of his efforts happening. In terms of Mura, which is inconsistency, you can see on the one hand he's having a larger sack and on the other hand he's having a smaller sack. That results in different weights on both the hands and inconsistencies, which can result not in not long-term sustainability of this particular operation. Hence, if he would have divided the weight into both the hands, he would have been more sustainable in carrying out the operation. And if you look at Muri, which is burden, you have seen on a wheelbarrow that the weight which the person could carry is far exceeded, resulting in overburdening. Now, these three things can result in operations not being performed to the optimum level. Waste, we can think more detail as an activity that increases the cost without adding value from the customer perspective. Now, when you talk about value, we could always think what are the different types of waste which can hinder a value to the customer. It could be excessive transportation, it could be a patient who has gone through excessive transportation in hospitals. It could be inventory. It could be motion, unnecessary motion is happening. Like take for instance, a man is doing a job, then the number of movement he makes is large, or the material is moved from one place to another in a non-cyclical manner. Waiting, delay could be a waste. Overprocessing, processing beyond what is required. Overproduction, producing more than what is required for the customer. It's a waste. Defect, products not meeting the specifications. And also the skills. If human skills are not being utilized to the optimum, it is a waste. In lean, value is defined through the eyes of the customer and not through the organization. Customer perceiving what is the value they require of a product or a service is being met through the manufacturer. And it is not the value which the manufacturer sees which is being valued in lean. Lean has been successfully applied as a methodology in order to eliminate Muri, Mura, and Mutta, predominantly eliminate all sorts of waste which we discussed. It is used to standardize the processes, and one of the advantage of Lean is that it doesn't heavily rely on statistical process control. Six Sigma had its origination in Motorola. Six Sigma is a structured improvement methodology which uses rigorous statistical analysis. The, in Six Sigma compared to Lean, it had a structured improvement methodology. Like take for instance DMAC, which was used as a structure to improve existing processes or to design new processes. Six Sigma, called as Design for Six Sigma, was used. Its fundamental motto of Six Sigma was to reduce variations. It uses statistical process control and statistical tools in order to improve the processes. Lean and Six Sigma have been used organizations around the world to derive the benefits of each of these techniques. Then came a thought, can Lean and Six Sigma be combined together in order to create a powerful quality improvement methodology, or in other words, a superior operational excellence benefits could be derived from it. That is called as Lean Six Sigma. It combines the waste reduction and process flow acceleration abilities of Lean and also the statistical power of Six Sigma to reduce variation, resulting in incredible benefits for the organization. Lean Six Sigma has been successfully applied in various sectors: healthcare sector, education sector, manufacturing sector, tourism sector, entertainment sector, public sector, and so on. It has consistently delivered impressive results, increased the process performance, improved the customer satisfaction, and resulted in substantial cost saving for the organization. There have been different opinions on Lean Six Sigma. Some have said to be a new fad, which is which has taken birth in the business domain, and over the time period that this fad will wane off. Some have said the results are unsustainable in the long run. That is, it shows a result initially like a weight loss program, and over the time periods, the improvement results will wane off. Some have even said that it is a repackaged quality improvement methodology which have been repackaged using old quality improvement tools and techniques. Whatever be the criticisms, these criticisms only shows us that the Lean Six Sigma was not being applied in a proper manner in an organization, resulting in these criticisms. Whatever said and done, Lean Six Sigma has been a powerful business improvement methodology which have been used by various companies around the world, from Motorola, Ford, Dell to Bosch. Lean and Six Sigma are dynamic methodologies that have shaped the way the organizations operate. Whether they are used individually or combined into Lean Six Sigma, the impact on quality improvement and business success is undeniable. Lean Six Sigma or Lean Six Sigma depends on the organization's unique needs, goals, or the sector whether it is being applied. Continuous improvement methodologies is the key to staying competitive in today's competitive world, and hence these techniques will be immense value to the organizations.